All right, guys, 2013 Toyota Tacoma V6 with hiccups. We put something on it different than the other Tacoma we had. The other one we straight pipe. This one's got hiccups, or I got hiccups. So Toyota Tacomas come with 4 converters, one here, one on the manifold, one here, one on the manifold over here, and then it winds into a single. Anyways, it's a MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body, single in, dual out, 3-inch to 2.5, as you guys can see right there. Then we ran 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, with a little bit of a modification to get it all done. And then put 3.5-inch rolled black tips out the back, there and right there. There it is. That's what it looks like after duals on a Toyota Tacoma with a MAGNAFLOW. So we'll let you guys hear it. I hope you guys like it, and you guys see from the tag, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City. So if you're in the area, come holler and say hi. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Toyota Tacoma. You want not a lot of sound, just clean, deep tone with more performance? Go with the MAGNAFLOW. Here's sound decibels. 93, 94.5. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Good looking truck. They run forever, these Toyotas, man. I like it. What do you guys think? Just a nice deep tone. What do you think? You like it? I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. (2014) Toyota Tacoma, MAGNAFLOW 18-inch body, duals into black tips. Came out sounding phenomenal.